right, so I keep forgetting that my fly rod is on top of the truck. That's the second time I've driven off. Some scratches, but seems like it's okay. But at night when I get back, I usually put it on top of here, like so. That way I can get in, get like in and out of my coolers and whatnot. Definitely missing my rod locker. I've been driving around with it just kind of in the window like this, but you can see can't really get in, and I don't like having it stretch that across me. Man, second time now. First time some guy almost hit it. He was coming down with the trailer. I was waving at him. He swerved off the side of the road and missed. But anyway, yeah. So we're getting up early, heading out. It's about 9. Say early. It's not really early, but yeah. Hitting the road. It's Saturday, so I'm not really. The spot I have in mind is probably just a fun research project. But it's someplace to go fish today, maybe. If nothing else, it's get a chance to drive around and see what I see. So I'm not complaining, but whew, I'm glad I was just looking out my rearview mirror, because I thought I heard something and I was like, oh, your fly rod, and then I saw it like go-go. I was like, ah, it's the second time. I gotta get better with that. So anyway, gonna head out of here, drive down this road, and then just see if we can find a place to fish for today. I had some coffee already, some breakfast, packed up camp. Might come back here and camp tonight, I'm not really sure. I just have to wait and see what the other area is like, but I like this area a lot. So man, I'm not really sure if today started as a good day or a bad day. All right, so found the creek I was looking for. It's down this Forest Service road. I'm thinking probably a little bit too skinny for me, and definitely a little overgrown. So, but it was a fun trip out here. Nice little road, and you can see the view's pretty nice. So, but I'm not gonna hang out here. Gonna go see if I can find someplace else. Like I said, today's more of a exploration day. Several streams in this area that I wanted to look at, but you know, there's nothing anywhere that I can find that tells me if there's even fish in them. So I'm not gonna hang out here. Get in the truck, drive some more. Nothing wrong with that. Doing a little driving in the national forest, looking at cool views. I can do it. Alright, so the area I was trying to go to is closed. That kind of sucks. Guess there's a fire up here somewhere, so not much I can do about that. Get a map out and see if there's anything else close by, but yeah, this is where I was trying to go. I saw the fire cam when I came through, but I'm gonna read that sign up there and see what it says. Alright, so the area I'm trying to go to is closed. Let's see what it says. Fire closure. Wow. Okay. So everywhere I had planned, definitely several streams in this area are closed. Well, that kind of sucks. Guess I need to find some other place to be today. Alright, guess I'll see if I can find another place to be for today, because they don't want me in the fire and I don't really want to play in there either. So alright, so hiking down to this trail, ran into one guy hiking down. This wasn't on my destination, just driving a little bit and saw a trailhead. So if it can fish, then I'll fish it. If not, then it'll just be a hike to a cool waterfall. So the guy I saw coming down, he kind of laughed. He said, "Where are you from, man?" So I could tell. He said, "Can you not fish down here?" He said, "No, there's some small fish, but it's pretty rocky." But he said I could get to the stream, so I'll go take a look. He said it wasn't a long hike, it's like 10 minutes. So he said it was worth looking at though, because it's pretty scenic. So I figured 10-minute hike, scenic, probably get laughed at. There was a bunch of people get unloading, so, but it is what it is. So we'll find our way down. If nothing else, I can show you guys a cool spot to stop. Take a little hike to a waterfall maybe. Something different than what I normally put on my channel, so be kind of fun, but definitely probably overpacked. If he said he saw one small dead fish, so but the area I wanted to get to was closed and I'd already driven about an hour and a half. So to turn around, it's 11 o'clock now. Yeah, pretty much that would be the end of the day. Going anywhere else and trying to find a place to get in, it'd be not today, but I could probably drive somewhere and get set up for tomorrow. So we're just gonna make our way down this trail. That's beautiful. Wow. Alright, so this is Porcupine Falls. No idea I was going to be here today. Pretty spectacular though. Wow. Yeah, so this is a pretty amazing area just to come down and see. Like the guy said, coming down, no fish, but it's worth a 10-minute hike. Falls are just a little around the corner there. You can kind of hike around here. There's a little campsite over there. It's nice to camp down, but I'm gonna have lunch. It's a pretty cool place just to have lunch. Super scenic. trail keeps on going. Like, you can follow it as long as you want it, I guess. I don't know if it gets the fishing gets better, but you can't beat the views, and it's pretty awesome. So I'm definitely glad I came. Porcupine Falls, I'd do it again. I wouldn't bring the fishing gear though.